All right, so for anyone who's not aware of the problem with overpopulation and farming, there's a solution called vertical farming. The reason for this solution is because the world's food system is beginning to strain under the global population that is going to increase and increase and increase, and we are already using 80% of farmable land on planet Earth. And by the time we reach 2040, we're going to hit over 9 billion people on this planet. Quite soon, or by 2050, 9 billion. And when that happens, we need a solution. Vertical farming is that solution. It is multiple floors of high-rise buildings. So this could be every high-rise building in a downtown, the one that's facing sunlight preferably. And then this could also be your homes. This could be your backyard. So we want solutions for both the individuals at their homes and then solutions for the corporations. And the reason for our solution is that this will increase the capacity of a vertical farm. So vertical farms already exist. There are only a few in the world right now, but it's going. And this solution would increase the capacity of vertical farms. And the way it would do that is, right now we have vertical farms that have all these plants on the outside of the buildings. If we include a skylight in the building, then we have another set of these plants available. And this solution would increase it another fold by having these plants on the outside, which are obviously getting enough sunlight, a second layer of plants just inside that, and then mirrors on the other side, which are in between these plants, because we can't put another plant there, they need roots. And then they're going to shine the light coming down into this plant, which is being hidden because it's on the second layer. And then we have our IoT solution.
Yeah, so starting with the front end, which you saw on the previous slide, the controller can select for each implementation of our product the type of plant, which often have different needs for both moisture and sunlight throughout the day. They can select that on the front end, which sends those variables to the back end to control both our mirror and our rotation.
So different plants have different sunlight needs. So we have it set so that the mirror will rotate and give it light for a certain period of time, and then when it doesn't need it anymore, it'll turn it back, and then it won't get sun anymore. We also have a photo sensor that will potentially give it more light if it needs it because it's a cloudy day. And hopefully it will actually decide to run. Oh, come on.
And then the reason that this is continuing to run is because we want all sides of this plant to reach the sun. And so because this is a limited range that it's going to get from the mirror, it's going to make sure that all sides of the plant go. And obviously this will be much slower over the course of a day. And that's our presentation.